sakripisyo nga sinunog. Sakripisyo alang sa kalinaw ug panaglaig. Sakripisyo
Hi guys, welcome to Joy of the World. Welcome back mga ka-Joy, and it's another Road Trip Tuesday and as well as an update. Ayan, makikita natin mamaya ano yung update, especially with regards to the project of the Davao City underground cabling. It is a project by the city government of Davao and the Davao Light and Power Company. Ayan, so we are here right now at Jacinto Extension para makita natin mamaya yung Phase 2 at Phase 3 ng Davao City Underground Cabling. So stay tuned at makikita nyo rin yung mga developments along the roads. Ayan. So at this landmark, andyan na yung Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. And supposedly, pupunta kami straight ahead, pero no entry. Kaya, we just turned right para papunta ng Quirino Avenue and papasok sa siguro sa may People's Park. Ayan. So, it's now Quirino Avenue. I know sa mga previous natin na mga road trip ay madalas na natin na dadaanan ng Quirino Avenue. At ayan, sa my right side, we have the Hotel Inn. And also at that side, makikita din yung Penongs, andyan na rin yung Gaisano Supermarket Quirino. Ayan. So we are going towards the People's Park. So along Quirino Avenue, may mga frequent reminders na mababasa. At yan yung about wearing your face mask, wearing your face shield, and then stay home, mag-ipon. Ayan. So marami niyan. So ayan, we're now going to enter Pelayo Street or yung street wherein dadaanan natin yung People's Park. At the right side, that is the Tomas Claudio na District Health Center. Ayan. And then, yan. Nakikita nyo na, may start na ng mga roadworks. Ayan. Inaayos yung mga daan. And we'll just follow the road. Ayan, nakikita niyo yung parang durian. That is the dome or the durian dome at the People's Park. So, yeah, we'll just go straight ahead then. So, you will also notice na mas marami na talagang roadworks. And, ayan, a bit of a one-way or one lane each. Pero, ayun, nagkakasalubong. And right now, we are at the vicinity of Apple View Hotel. Ayan. So, it's still at the Pelayo Street. Ayan. Also, nearby is the Ilustre, Gaisano. And then, yung nakikita nyong simbahan is the UCC. Yun. Also, entering that road, may mga roadworks na din. Inaayos yung daan. So, you're gonna expect traffic jams. So at this point, it is already Bonifacio Street. At this point, hindi pa siya talaga yung kasama sa underground cabling na phase. Kumbaga, mas inaayos yung daan na mas pinipave ng mabuti kasi inaspalto at hindi na naging pantay yung asphalt. Ayan, kaya yun, inaayos ng mga daan. So, maya-maya, we are going to turn right. And that's gonna be part of Bangoy Street or Ponciano, in which we are going to, yun nga, pupuntahan natin yung section of the third phase of the Davao City underground cabling. So you're gonna see more of roadworks right here. So you're gonna expect mga traffic jams, especially during the rush hour. Yeah. So at some areas may mga tapos na both areas on both sides. But then supposedly dediretso lang kami. Pero naka no entry. Ayan, malaki truck. Ayan, backhoe. Ayan. So we are now at the Rizal Street. So ngayon, naghahanap ulit tayo kung saan tayo pwede dadaan. And so diyan makikita nyo at your right side is the cap. And then may auditorium na malapit dyan. We're in kung saan may mga events na ginagawa. And right now, papasok tayo sa Inigo Street. Ayan. So, dyan sa Inigo Street, maraming makikita mga inns, mga kainan, ayan, mga offices, and then may mga ano na din, convenience stores and others. So we are now approaching San Pedro Street, and yes, that is one of the phases ng underground cabling in which makikita nyo may mga excavation na nagaganap. So nasa center ng street yung start ng excavation for the underground cabling. San Pedro Street is one of the oldest streets sa Davao City, at yan may makikita din kayo mga landmarks of stores na only to be seen sa Davao City. And makikita nyo, yun nga, may mga roadworks nasa gitna. You will really expect traffic jam, especially during rush hours. So as much as possible for now, habang di pa natatapos yung project, we can just refrain of passing by these areas, and hopefully before magkadayawan, sana tapos na yan. Yun. And we just turn left para mas accessible, mas convenient sa amin mamaya yung dadaanan. So yan. Dahil may mga roadblocks, kaya di tayo nakadiretso sa dapat nating dadaanan, especially sa Inigo. Ayan, kaya tayo babalik sa may Pelayo Street. Now we're going to turn left over there. Ayan, so nakikita nyo, may mga traffic, mga signage naman. Still, it's gonna be very traffic, especially if there are some drivers na mag-misbehave. Yes. So, further, doon sa unahan, ayun, San Pedro Street pa din, at makikita mo, may mga roadworks talaga for the third phase of the underground cabling. So, makikita nyo, may mga heavy equipment, mga magkakalot? Mag-excavate, ayan. So, ayan, we are now approaching Pichon Street, or mas familiar siya as Magallanes. And you can observe right there, may mga green na mga signages or part of the street. That is the bike lane. Ayan. Ini-enhance na, nag-i-improve na yung mga bike lanes for the convenience of the bikers or yung mga two-wheel na mga pwedeng mode of transport. Ayan. Along the area also, it will be part of the underground cabling. So yan, makikita nyo at your right side is the Grand Mensing Hotel. At your left side, si Kuya Ed's noon. Grabe yung unli kain dyan. And then, yun, nakikita nyo sa left side. Yan, they're improving, enhancing the bike lanes. Yan, pinipinturahan na ang daan. And so, yan, this is part really of the city proper. So now we are approaching the back portion of the City Hall. Yan. At the right side naman, makikita nyo yung Magallanes School. Yan. It's a public school. And then, we are now approaching na din yung Sangguniang Panglungsod. Yan. Konseho. And other city transactions are gonna be done there. And mostly actually at this area, at this vicinity, mga government transactions, local government unit na mga transactions, and some national government transactions. Ayan, so we are now going towards the segment of the phase 2, underground cabling. So, hinay-hinay lang sa pag-drive. Yan. And this area is also, makikita mo mga parks. Also, yung mga park na inaayos. Yun. So, at this area, mapapansin nyo naman na wala namang mga kable na. So, naka-underground na at this part. Pero, dun sa unahan na CM Recto or ng Claveria, yan, makikita nyo may mga trucks na nasa gilid-gilid. Ayan, ongoing yung underground cabling project. Ayan, makikita nyo din sa sides na mayroong mga kable na doon na din siya ilalagay or i-insert yung mga wires. And then lately, yung mga poles na yan, nakikita nyo may kable pa, mawawala na. So yun, may i-connect na. And yung mga roadworks na nakikita nyo, yan, part pa rin yan ng underground cabling, in which ganun din mangyayari sa may San Pedro. So this is part of the phase 2. So ito yung portion na hindi pa tapos. Yan. So it's really creating some traffic amongst public utility vehicles and then private cars and other mode of transport na available. Yung. And nakikita nyo ba yan? Yung parang stasyon ng tren or yung parang ito. Ayan. Yan. Yung mga cable dyan, meron na din dyan. Tapos, i-connect downwards or pababa. Makikita nyo mga dalawa o tatlo along the area. So, yan. At this area naman, medyo patapos na. So, road pavement na lang din kulang. Ayan. Naisemento na. So, hopefully, by early April, yan, matatapos na. Mawawala na yung mga poste na nakikita nyo dyan. At mga kable nakatapos na. So, this part na is somewhere, ayan, sa may Bonifacio na. Yan. And yan, makikita nyo, may part na rin naman na naka-pave na yung road. Ayan, nakikita nyo, diba? It's partly almost done. So, ayan. Siguro drainage and then part na din na underground cabling na yan. And at this area naman, ayun natapos yung pavement ng road. So, this part is already Palma Hill. Ayan. And we are going towards Aldevinco. Pero makikita or madadaanan din natin somewhere sa may Avida. Yes, Avida Towers. And yun, we're going towards Aldevinco. Ateneo de Davao. Ayan. Very soon, hopefully, by April. Ayan, wala na tayong makikita mga kape dyan. Or na-i-fix na mga kape dyan. Na-i-underground. So, yun mga ka-joy, that's our update for the development of our Davao City underground cabling. So, this is a road trip as well as an update of the project. And kung di pa kayo nakapag-subscribe sa ating channel, ay mag-subscribe na kayo and hit that notification bell para maging close tayo. And thank you very much!